in a world that is more and more dominated through separation and fragmentation and othering, we are honoring community spaces and also healing community spaces, which means these are spaces where we can be vulnerable with each other, where we can show deeper parts of ourselves, where it's safe to create deep and resonant relationships, for us to create collective witnessing spaces. And I think especially in this time, that's a great asset to have to heal ourselves and to strengthen our impact in the world. And that's why I invite you to our summer intensive retreat in northern Germany, in Wardenburg, because that's a place where we can really bring our topics that bother us in our daily life, either within ourselves, in our relationships, in relationship to the world of today. And we find places that are resourcing relationships that are resonant and listening in small breakout groups, in work in the large group, and through meditation, through toning, through movement practices. So there's a variety of practices that help us to explore ourselves deeper and to come back into the world with a deeper impact. And if that's of interest for you, please see all the information on this post, and I will be happy to see you there.